Okay, so this is the new demo, the milestone 3 of my app, which help memorizing the multiplying table from 1 times 1 to 99 times 99. And there we go. So I try to implement the flashbots mode, which has 5 boxes, each boxes representing like something you never have remembered and something that you have well remembered, so that you can push down to later on to that you revise those things. So for now, let's just start with test 0, which is all randomly generated. I put question number 15 there, so there we go. And every question have 2 modes. Let's say one is the representing question and 4 options. We can choose among any of the options and submit, let's say, this one. And
60, 35, 2, 1, 0, 0.
Okay, so that's correct. You probably have heard something, and that's the audio representation. Still, it's okay, but it's not very promising. It doesn't really help you memorize. Let's try another one. So so the options here are super naive. Let's say this is obviously correct because 1 times 6 is 6, and just pay attention to the audio representation.
70, 1, 16, 1, 1, 3, 6.
So it says 71, 16, 1, 1, 3, 6. I try to make it sound a little bit more nature, but that's how it goes for now. And of course, if you choose it the wrong way, like this one, it will say incorrect and pronounce the same thing out, the correct form of the
94, 74, 6, 9, 5, 6.
Okay, so we know that 6956 is the correct one. 94, 74, 6956. If you read it like more and more times, it does really help you remember that. Okay, and I wonder why every question is in this mode. Actually, there's another mode. So let's just
40, 9, 9, 4, 4, 1.
Okay, so for everything that's below 100, I use 40 or 30 or something. Everything above 100, I just put them into digits. Let's just skip
49,
that.
70, 9, 3, 8, 7, 1.
Okay, so that's the new mode. I just randomly choose one out of these 2 modes. So the previous mode is that one, and this mode we have text boxes. So we can enter the text boxes and enter apply.
13, 1, 13.
So that's 13, 1, 13, and that's the audio representation, and it was correct. And here, obviously, I don't really know the answer. I think it's something. No, I have no idea what it is.
48, 60, 4, 3, 0, 7, 2.
So it's 3072, and I gave the wrong answer and said it's incorrect. And there we go. Oh, by the way, I'm using the slide gesture, like it's not moving the fingers, moving just fingers this. It's moving the fingers this way, but I'm using a simulator, so I'm actually moving it another, like we use 3 of the fingers, and that's representing slide. And so that's the same thing, and just make
80,
it incorrect.
50, 4, 4, 0, 0.
So 4400. Yeah, I know it's probably a little bit weird for now, but please give me some suggestions how to improve that.
22, 13, 2, 8, 6.
And yeah, this one I can make it correct.
84, 97, 5, 6, 0.
And of course, you can also skip the answer.
6, 96, 5, 7, 6.
And skip the answer, and finally it goes back to, yeah, you see this is question 15, and it stays 15. This is always this one, so I assure you it's not randomly generalized, but the presentation is not randomly generalized. And there we go, and finally test end. So here I was trying to give a like summary of how you do the test, and it goes back to the first say. And I'm supposed to add some incorrect answer back to test 0 and generalize some new things and add all those correct answered questions into the next test. So it will be there, but it's not implemented for now. Okay, and I think that's it for the demo.